18 divided by 9 over 7 times 14. 7 into here 1, 7 into 14 2. Then we have 18 divided by 9 times 2. 18 divided by 9 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. 4 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to work from our left to our right, which is we have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 18 divided by 9 over 7 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 18, change division to multiplication, then flip 9 over 7 to 7 over 9. Then multiply by 14 here. Now we are going to simplify. 9 into here 1, 9 into 18 2. Then we are left with 2 times 7 times 14. 2 times 7 will give us 14. Then we have 14 times 14. 14 times 14 will give us 196, which is 196. 196 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.